So children, remember we have learnt about birds? Yes. So today we are going to revise. So let's start.
Crow. Crows are generally black, with black beaks and legs. But they can also be black with grey coloring. Parrot. Parrots are characterized by a short, hooked bill and brightly colored plumage. Parrots of some species have the ability to mimic human speech or other sounds. Peacock. Peacock is a large bird, the male of which has very long tail feathers, which it can spread out to show bright colors and patterns shaped like eyes. Duck. Duck is a bird that lives by water, has webbed feet, a short neck, and a large beak. A webbed feet means a feet with skin between the toes. Owl. Owl is a bird with a flat face, large eyes, and strong curved nails. Hen. Hen is an adult female chicken which is often kept for its eggs. Pigeon. Pigeon is a large, usually grey bird which is often seen in towns sitting on buildings in large groups. Vulture. Vulture is a large bird with almost no feathers on its head or neck that eats the flesh of dead animals. Eagle. Eagle is a large, strong bird with a curved beak which eats meat and can say very well. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small grey-brown bird which is especially common in towns.
Now we are going to learn about water birds. Children, some birds live in and around water that are called water birds. Let's see few of them. This is swan, a beautiful bird. Crane, it has long legs. It catches and eats fish. Kingfisher, its feathers are often bright in color. Duck, duck has special feet which is called webbed feet, which helps it to swim.
So, the first question is, name some common birds which eat grains and insects. Hen, duck, sparrow and crow. These are common birds which eat grains and insects. Good. Now, tell me, why do birds have tail? You have seen tail, na? Now, tell me, why do birds have tail? Tail helps in changing the directions while they fly. Repeat after me, children. tail helps in changing the directions while they fly. Good. Name any two meat eater birds. Good. Eagle and vulture are meat eater birds. Tell two features of an ostrich. Ostrich is a huge bird. Repeat, children. Ostrich is a huge bird. Ostrich cannot fly but runs very fast. Now, revise these question and answer and learn it. Okay? Good.